Hi love, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. On today's video, we'll be making okra soup with different recipe entirely. So simple to make, easy and very affordable. So stay tuned and watch till the end, okay? So at this point, I'm done washing the okra and I'm giving it a cut. So I'll have to cut until I'm done. At this point, I'm done. I'll have to set aside and move to the next ingredients I'll be using, which is uziza leaf. I'll have to remove the uziza leaf from the stem. So at this point, I'm done. I'll have to wash like 5 times with water and salt and then give it a cut. Now we have our pepper, fresh pepper to be precise. Then crayfish. If you have local bean, you can as well join, but I don't have, so I have to pound the two together. So at this point, I have to get an empty pot, introduce palm oil. I won't allow it to get hot. As soon as I'm done introducing the oil, I want to add the okra, stir a bit and allow it to steam for like 30 seconds. Then add the crayfish and fresh pepper I pounded earlier. Then this is the protein I'll be using, smoked fish and cow skin. Then I'll stir. I will then introduce a cube of seasoning and then salt for taste. This is the water I got from the mortar and pestle I used in pounding fresh pepper and crayfish. Then the next ingredients I'll be adding is the uziza leaf I showed you earlier. And then this is local bean, also known as uwa in Igbo language. I don't know what you guys call it in your own language. So I will then stir and allow it to boil for some time, and I will end this video without thanking all my subscribers, both new and old. And thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for your likes, comments, thank you for your shares, thank you for deeming it fit to subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. And if you're watching this video, I also want to say thank you. And if you're contemplating whether to subscribe or not, please do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video, and I bet you're not going to regret joining us, okay? And at this point, the soup is good to go. Start getting your swallow ready, get every ready, because it's about to go down. Yeah, it's about to go down. Yeah. Yeah, one thing I love about the soup is even when you don't have money, even when you've run out of cash, you can still make this soup because it's simple, affordable and easy to make. I tell you, not just that, nutritious, okay? So always make this soup when you run out of cash. Thank you so much, because at this point I want to dish out some parts to all my subscribers, both new, old, and you contemplating. You see, this one I'm dishing out is for you, or this is me telling you thank you. But don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and if you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next content.